Your guardian angel is by your side to reveal something exciting. At this very moment, someone harbors intense feelings for you. This person might seem distant, either physically or emotionally, but what truly matters is the new light in which they see you. There's a significant shift in your relationship, signaling a profound transformation in their heart. They feel a strong need to share their feelings with you now, driven by a sense of urgency, as they intuit that their revelations will have a significant impact on your life. You might have noticed that previously, they weren't the type to open up easily. Their feelings often remained veiled, as if hidden under a cloak of reticence. You might recall moments when they seemed on the verge of a confession, a significant gesture, almost overflowing with emotions, but at the last moment, something held them back, sealing their feelings once more. This behavior may have been a result of a long-standing practice of keeping their deepest emotions to themselves, perhaps a habit shaped by the belief that it was safer or easier to simply go with the flow of the surrounding circumstances. However, a palpable change has recently emerged in the energy surrounding both of you. They now realize that you are the catalyst for this transformation. The way you interact with them, your presence, your words, and even your silences seem to have triggered something new in their heart, something they can no longer ignore or suppress. This situation may be intrinsically linked to your recent actions or a sudden revelation they had about you. The emotional intensity they experience now is not entirely unfamiliar to them. They have found themselves at similar crossroads before. However, the crucial difference this time is the heightened awareness that they must face and manage these emotions in a way that would have been quite uncomfortable for them until now. Normally, they would have chosen to resist this intuitive impulse advising them to follow their heart, especially when it comes to you. But now, they recognize the importance of not only accepting this impulse but acting on it, even if it means stepping out of their comfort zone. It's a decision that transcends what is visible or known to you. They are facing a choice that not only challenges them personally, but could also significantly alter the dynamic between the two of you. They realize that this is not a simple matter of casual choice or following a path of least resistance. What is at stake here is a deep and powerful need to make a substantial change, driven by a new understanding of what you represent to them and the impact you have on their emotional life. The energy that now envelopes them is so intense it feels almost palpable, a vibrant force compelling them to act. This energy is fueled by the duality of their feelings, a mix of fear and courage, hesitation and determination. They are aware that what they are about to do might be uncomfortable, perhaps even painful, but they firmly believe it is essential for their personal growth and the evolution of your relationship. Therefore, while there is a part of them that wishes to keep everything as it is, following the logical and rational path they are accustomed to, a more powerful force is urging them to take a new direction, to listen to the voice of their heart. This command does not emerge from external advice or other people's expectations, but from the innermost recesses of their soul, where true emotions and desires reside, offering crucial guidance at this exact moment. Previously, they might have contained or even ignored these intuitive impulses, especially in matters related to you, perhaps out of fear of exposing their vulnerability or disturbing the status quo that seemed safe. However, there is now a clear realization that continuing along the same path no longer serves them. The situation demands a change, a deviation from the usual course they have been following. This internal call to follow their heart is now undeniable and urgent. They recognize that it is imperative to act according to this new guidance, even if it might seem risky or out of character for them. There is a palpable energy surrounding a person clearly at a vital crossroads. They are immersed in deep reflections, pondering a myriad of questions, but it is notable that their primary focus is on you. They often get lost in thoughts about you, frequently wondering if you are aware of the intensity with which they think about you. This energy is incredibly rich in details. They might not verbalize all their thoughts and feelings directly to you, but they certainly process them meticulously in their mind, mulling over them until they can form a clear understanding and then act based on the conclusions they reach. They are also aware of how well you understand them, and this keeps them particularly attentive and engaged in this connection. The fascinating aspect of this dynamic is that while they long to be close to you, there is also a strong need for isolation, as if this alone time is crucial for making significant decisions or taking an important step in their life. They are facing an internal struggle, a true tug-of-war between the heart and the mind, or perhaps between the ego and the soul, and this battle is intense. This duality reflects a rich and complex inner journey, where they balance the desire for intimacy and connection with a need for personal space and reflection. Each moment of solitude is a step in their quest for answers, a necessary time for introspection and clarity. This internal battle is not just a clash of contradictory desires, but also a sign of their deep consideration of everything that involves you. They perceive a significant transformation in the dynamic of your relationship and are consciously adjusting the way they relate to you. Most of these changes occur discreetly, behind the scenes of daily interactions, even if you maintain regular contact. This situation offers you a glimpse into how they are feeling internally and what they might be deliberately hiding concerning you and the connection you share. They want you to understand that they have undergone a profound change of perspective and that this new position was adopted after intense reflection and a sincere dialogue with their heart. Although their feelings for you are still present and significant, you might have intuited that it was beneficial for both of you to adopt a certain level of emotional distance, a kind of healthy detachment from this person. However, you might be feeling somewhat perplexed regarding their true feelings for you or what they plan to do next. There is a vibrant and intense energy permeating the relationship between you, an almost palpable chemistry that allows both of you to easily capture each other's emotions and even thoughts when you are together. This deep connection is both a gift and a puzzle. Despite this almost telepathic harmony, he seems to have difficulties fully opening up, expressing his feelings clearly and unequivocally, which might leave you questioning why he holds back, why he hesitates to let his emotions flow or act according to what he truly feels. He may not be completely transparent, and his reserve could be the result of significant challenges he has faced, which even indirectly have impacted the dynamic between you. These obstacles may have created emotional or psychological barriers that he is still trying to overcome. He might fear that by fully opening up, these vulnerabilities would become too evident, which could, in his view, alter the way you see him or affect the delicate balance of your relationship. Recently, a series of important revelations have emerged, aspects that he can no longer ignore, prompting him to deep and significant reflection. The most crucial of all is that he is aware that you possess exceptional clarity about who he truly is. You perceive the changes, even the most subtle ones, that have occurred in the dynamic between you. This awareness on your part only intensifies the impact of these discoveries on him. He feels, perhaps with a touch of melancholy, that this specific chapter in your story might be coming to an end. However, at the same time, he senses that there is still much more to be discovered and explored in your relationship. Now, the decision is in your hands whether you want to continue writing this story alongside him. It is a choice that carries the weight not only of continuing what has been built, but also of venturing into new emotional and relational territories. It is essential to remember that the current situation is permeated by an energy of curiosity, a living force suggesting not only the possibility but the desire to explore new facets and depths in the relationship. He truly feels an intensely deep connection with you and for this reason, is approaching the next phase of your relationship with extreme caution. This is not just a sequence in the course of your lives, but a journey he recognizes as essential for himself. This message he conveys is a mix of conclusion and renewal. He is not completely ready to definitively close this phase. What he clearly understands is that the way things were working between you is no longer sustainable, and the crucial moment has come to seek a new path forward. Thus, this moment marks both the end of one chapter and the beginning of another in the narrative of your relationship. He wants to make sure you are aware of this. Throughout the course of your connection, expectations may have arisen that were not met, or promises that remained in limbo, not fully expressed, and this influenced the dynamic between you. It is important to emphasize that this does not necessarily imply betrayal or dishonesty, but refers to commitments that for some reason were not honored, impacting the development of the relationship. Perhaps both of you have avoided openly discussing your mutual expectations or the direction you hoped the relationship would take. This impasse created a scenario where both of you feel out of alignment. Unmet expectations are causing visible fissures in the relationship. Instead of clearly communicating your needs and desires, you both ended up assuming that the other would intuitively understand such longings. This misunderstanding has generated confusion and disappointment for both, carrying a heavy emotional baggage that now needs to be examined and resolved. It is essential to face and discuss these unfulfilled promises so that your bond can evolve in a healthy and constructive way. This situation conveys a powerful message about the transformation in this person's emotions and the need to follow his heart concerning you. There is a clear sense that a chapter in your connection has ended, but also the promise that a new chapter is about to unfold. He is in the process of discovering what the future might bring and extends an invitation for you both to face the unfulfilled promises, engage in open and honest communication, to heal and strengthen the relationship you share. This is a critical moment, a turning point that demands introspection and sincere dialogue. The willingness to address these challenges will not only help heal existing wounds, but also pave the way for a more resilient and meaningful relationship. It is an opportunity to rediscover each other, align expectations, and renew mutual commitment on a more solid and transparent foundation. Thus, with the awareness of past failures and omissions and the courage to address them directly, you can begin this new chapter with a foundation of renewed understanding and respect. This healing journey is not just about overcoming misunderstandings, but about building a future together enriched by honesty, empathy, and the unconditional love that once united you. This is a time of growth, transformation, and above all, reaffirming the connection you have, ensuring that this time, you both walk in the same direction with open hearts and clear expectations. Let your spirit absorb these words and allow them to resonate deeply within you. The universe, in its infinite wisdom and benevolence, ardently wishes the best for you and is committed to ensuring a favorable outcome, regardless of the decisions you make along your path. By typing I feel blessed and aligned with the universe and will live the best phase of my life, you not only affirm your receptivity to positive vibrations, but also claim the countless blessings destined for you. This act of affirmation is a powerful step towards manifesting the best experiences the universe has to offer. Let's be channels of positivity and kindness, extending these energies to each other and together, creating a rising tide of good energy that can transform the world around us. By sharing these positive vibrations, we reinforce our connection with the universe and with each other, building a community of mutual support where love and positivity flow freely. Each word of affirmation and each act of kindness is like a wave that propagates, reaching hearts and awakening souls, inspiring them to also be beacons of light in their own journeys. Thus, by embracing this message, you become part of a greater movement, a collective effort to raise the vibration of the planet and bring to manifestation the golden age of humanity that we all long for. Therefore, embrace this opportunity to align yourself with the cosmic forces and fully live the promise of a bright future, filled with joy, peace, and fulfillment. Let's elevate each other and create waves of good energy together. Stay tuned for the next important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.